This is example number 2, and it reads as children grow older, their height and weight are related. Sketch a reasonable graph to show this relation and describe it. Tell what kind of function has a graph like the one you drew. So in your book, we already have a graph. So I'm just going to explain this to you literally. Okay? Now this graph here that you see, we have the weight here, we have the weight here, and it's on the y-axis, and we have the height on the x-axis, meaning that your weight depends on your height. So that's a pretty much a relationship. Let's say you are 163 centimeters, or that's 5 feet 4 inches. Now the normal height would be, for 163 centimeters, the normal height must be around 50 to let's say 60 kilos, so kg. Now for a certain height, you have a definition of a certain weight also. And so as you can see, the relationship is not linear. It is not linear. Why is it not linear? Because you cannot have a height which is pretty much, linearly related to your height. At a height of, let's say, 6 feet, or that's 180 centimeters, you must have a weight of around, the healthy weight of around 85 kilos, 80 to 85 kilos. That would be pretty much extendable. The height is the independent variable here, and our weight is dependent on your height. So you could go somewhere, if you are 6 feet, you could go somewhere healthy from 75 kilograms maybe to 90 kilograms. But beyond 90 kilograms, you must be overweight, and above 90 kilograms, you must be overweight, and under or below 75 kilograms, you must be underweight. So because your weight, your height is the independent variable here, and your weight depends on your height, then you couldn't have a linear relationship. Okay? So that's why our curve here is, I'm going to trace the curve. Our curve here, it starts from here. Actually, it wouldn't start from 0. Why wouldn't start from 0? Remember, you are born, okay? You are born with a certain height already. So normally and literally and obviously, your height wouldn't start from 0. It would start from this certain height here, and your birth height, and then your adult height here, which is the limit. Okay, so it would start from here. It wouldn't start from 0. So now we define this segment of the curve here. Okay, so that is pretty much an example of, what is it? It is an example of a power function. Remember our power function? Power function is f of x. The general equation is equal to f of x a b raised to x. Okay? So this ends our explanation for two examples. And in the succeeding lessons, we're going to solve more problems related to functions. Thank you for listening.